Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnana's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about off-campus recruitment drive from Cognizant. So Cognizant has started bulk hiring, mass hiring for 2019-20 and 2021 batch for graduates trainee profile. So graduates can apply for this particular profile, job profile. So let's discuss in details about the roles, responsibilities, and how to apply basically. So as you can see here, the last date to apply is 25th of August. To apply as soon as possible before the link gets expired. And the CTC, the package will be 2,52,000 per annum approximately. Fine. And the job description would be the responsible for providing IT infrastructure support. Then you'll be working in the products like Windows, Azure, MS Office, and other business applications. Then the provide expert solutions on infrastructure applications, hardware, software installation, and networking queries basically. Then good communication skills and open to flexible shifts. You will be having rotational shifts basically, and depending upon the location, I mean they can ask you to relocate as per the business requirement. This shift is rotational as we have already discussed. So problem solving and analytical thinking skills you must be having. And yes, so this is the overall, profile, job profile which they are looking for. Then you have to be accountable and responsible for gathering information through clients conversation, and you have to ensure the optimal resolution also. So this is the overall job profile. You can go through this in details. Fine. And yeah, they do businesses in domains like banking, financial, insurance, communications, and health sector, etc. So you will be working with this kind of domains. Now eligibility, 3 years graduation program. So you should be having 3 years graduation program minimum, and 50% in all, which is 10th, 12th, and diploma or graduation if you have done. So it is 50%. No standing arrears. If you have any backlogs, then you won't be eligible for this. And maximum 2 years gap is allowed. And PG, if you have done post graduation, then it is not applicable. I mean, you cannot apply in this particular profile. So this is all about the job roles and responsibilities and the eligibility. Let's discuss how to apply. You need to click here. You need to fill in your detail, email ID, then proceed, then register and apply. Now again, you can see here the steps, stages, basic details, contact details, current and most, education details and degree details you have to provide. Then previous education, which is your 10th and 12th, etc. Any internship or any projects you have done with any company, work experiences you have, you can mention in this stage. And then profile photo and documents. This is how you are going to apply for this. And yes guys, do mention all details according to your documentations, and do not write wrong details or fill wrong details, so that you never know, because later on it is editable or not, we are not sure. So do mention it correctly. So this is how you're going to apply for it. In case you have any doubts or queries guys, do let me know in the comment section or message me on Instagram. I am very much available there. Or and also don't forget to subscribe the channel guys for the latest updates on jobs. Or you can subscribe to the Telegram channel as well. Till then guys, have a great day, be safe, take care, bye.